Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today we're going on a quest. Baicycle sent us this 1ST that we're going to be unboxing today, and we're going to see what it's all about, so stick around. Seat imprint. Made to fit this shape, like the outline of this right here. Interesting.
And look at how this thing is boxed. Check out that color. I see some cool knobby tires.
Oh, my knee popped. I don't think you heard that. Don't show the audience me struggling. Stop it. So he might look like a pretzel right now, but we are going to unfold him, and there's not a lot of assembly. We'll just have to put the handlebars on and put on the pedals. Hey look, the seat post is the battery, or is the battery the seat post? Alrighty, I've got pedals. It's probably the battery. Why do I have battery on the mind? This is a charger, not a spare battery. You see how it's attached? You got a derailleur guard. I'm gonna sit down so I can get closer to take this off. I'm having problems. Do I cut the red wire or the green wire? Oh, I can't even reach in there. I have to change my perspective a little bit, maybe. It's just a little stiff. He's just still waking up, that's all. Interesting. There we go. All right, all we have to do now is stick on those pedals. Alright guys, so the Quest 1ST has been unboxed, and this is what it looks like in all of its glory. And we are going to take it for its first impression of ride. And like we said earlier, the assembly was very simple. All we had to do was put the bike stem up on the bike, and we had to put on the pedals, and that was pretty much it. So it was very painless. Let me turn on. Alright. Pedal assist 3, go! Pedal assist 4, go! Pedal assist 5, go! It's not working. I'm gonna be pedaling around the neighborhood. It's fine. I need the exercise anyway. Whoa! Well, now it works. Alright guys, so the first impression, I guess you gotta start pedaling to get this bike moving instead of hitting the throttle first to get it moving along. So that's a little different. There's actually a couple of differences with this e-bike compared to some of the other e-bikes that we have had. So let me just ride around for a minute and then I'll pull over and I'll show you guys some of those differences that we discovered while we were unboxing it. I'm gonna go over here. Alright, so it's zippy. I don't know if you can see the display screen right now, but it keeps switching back and forth between how much battery power I have. I have 1 bar, I have 2 bars, now I have 3 bars. The bike can't make up its mind. That's okay. I will have the same issue later when I'm trying to figure out what I want for lunch today. Oh, wow. Yeah. See, I am twisting the throttle and it is not going. So I have to pedal and then hit the throttle and then it starts to go somewhere. That is so weird. But hey, like I said, that's one of the unique things, one of the differences with this bike compared to some of our other bikes. So let's take a quick looky-see at this. It's not a bad looking bike. For being $1,500 though, there are a couple things that's like, what's happening here? So this front rack is definitely very tiny, so I don't know how much we're going to be utilizing that unless we can find a little basket to stick on it. So here's something that we noticed earlier with this pedal. Look at that. It's hitting the kickstand. Like, what in the world is up with that? I'm going to now have to push my bike forward to even get my kickstand up. What? So I swear, if I ever just abruptly stop making appearances on this channel, it's probably because I pushed a button that I was not supposed to push. For example, this thing right here. I just started pushing it, didn't know what it did, and upon further inspection, I'm not really sure that it does anything. Let's see if I can get a... Yeah, I don't know if you can see that too well. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. And then of course, you know, having the seat post is the battery. So that's also something kind of different with this bike. We also have these barrel keys to lock the battery in place right here. So when the seat is lowered all the way down, the battery actually sticks out under here quite a ways. So that's a little concerning. So something else about this, for being a $1,500 bike, it doesn't have a tail light. It has a reflector. So that's a little disappointing. All right, so I'm gonna start pedaling again. I got my kickstand up. I'm in pedal assist 3, and I'm going, getting up to about 16 miles per hour. So that's not terrible. But then again, when I'm hitting the throttle, it's not doing anything for me. So at this point, I'm starting to think the throttle here is just for decoration. That button sitting there on that back wheel. Now, if you guys have any ideas of what that button might be, please make a comment below. I mean, it'd be cool if you push that button and it would dispense snacks. That's what I want that button to do. You think if I catch the FedEx guy, he'll take this bike back? Just kidding. So overall, first impression, there's a couple things that are different, a couple things I don't really care too much for, but we'll get to that in the full review next time. So we are going to answer the question here if this is an e-bike that we want to take on a quest to slay a dragon or rescue a damsel in distress or take to the sandwich shop. Maybe buy a sandwich for the damsel in distress. Don't buy one for the dragon because he's watching his figure. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Definitely give us a big ol' thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you're new here. We've got content for everyone. And as always, please ride safe. See you in the next video.